Hi guys, welcome to Chat with Aao Baatein Kare. Pooja here. Today I'm going to talk about all the places in the world that I have traveled, and I will let you know or give you a review of the flight and the hotels that I have stayed. And hopefully this review will help you in planning your future holidays. From Ubud, we took a car to Kuta. It's about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Well, Kuta was or is not my favorite destination. I didn't like the ambience of Kuta. It was too city like. Okay, in Kuta we stayed in Four Points by Sheraton. The place is good. The hotel is huge. It is very centrally located. The minus point is the rooms are very small, and I don't know who or why it is designed like this. The wall facing the pool, there is no wall. It is all glass, and there are curtains to cover it up. So, and there are about 100 rooms on my side and 100 rooms on the opposite side. So now just imagine if I'm standing in my room or in my very small balcony, I can see through all the bedrooms which had not been covered by the curtain. Ugh, I don't want that. So that was a very big no to me. Why should I have to cover my room 24/7 or 8 hours or 6 hours or whatever XYZ? So I didn't like this concept of the hotel. Second thing, as I've told you all, the rooms were very small. Third was they had all we had taken the complimentary breakfast. The breakfast choices were very good. The spas are also very good in Kuta. There are a lot of beaches, so if you're a beach person, there are a lot of beaches nearby. And third thing, there are very good malls with reputed big brands. Some of the brands are not available in India, so I did my last minute shopping before coming to India. I took one day or half a day just to buy all the things on my list. There are a number of sports activities in Kuta, and there are a lot of locations or local what do you say, tours and sightseeing points and all you that your hotel staff will let you know. And there are booking offices or tour shops everywhere in Bali. Bikes are easily available in Bali, in Ubud and Kuta also. They are on rent for the day, for a week, for 2-3 days. There are types of bikes, so that is very efficient if you're a bike person. Some last minute tips which I would like to share with you guys is there's lot of walking in Bali, so please wear comfortable shoes. Do not wear heels because the roads or the surface is quite like India. They are not even, उबड़ खबड़ है. तो प्लीज़ ऊंची ऊंची सैंडलों में मत घूमिए. Wear very comfortable kids sports shoes. And it is a hot and humid climate, so you will need hat, sunscreen, sunglasses. And the best way to travel is with a sling bag. Try out all the local delicacies, try out different foods, go to local restaurants, not just the branded ones. And when in Bali, do visit, there are a number of temples we are allowed and we can visit. And there are also rice fields, so you can make a day trip visiting a few rice fields. As I've said, maybe we are not allowed in some of the temples, or maybe when any ceremony is going on in the temple. Before we continue, let me introduce you to my website aobatekare.com. From here, you can book a personal tarot reading in just 2 minutes. Another thing, while visiting many of the temples in Bali, you have to wear a lungi, and both men and women have to wear it. And most of the time, you have to just pay a small fees, and you take a lungi, wear it, and put it back in their bin or basket again. So this fees is just a rental fees. And the colors of this lungi is also very different. In one temple it was purple for everybody, in other temple there was red, green, and or some purple. You could choose your color. I chose my lungi color even there, which I had to wear only for 5 minutes. And if you want to buy these lungis, they are readily available in all the shops in Bali, even in Ubud. I think they will be easily available in Kuta also. I don't really remember it now. Some sweet memories before I finish this video or podcast is all the local people that I spoke to there. They watch Hindi movies. Their favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. That's how they call him, Shah Rukh Khan, and Salman Khan, and Kareena Kapoor. And their favorite movie is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Okay, so this is it. And guys, I would request you all to smile at one another while traveling. You can even smile at the local people. They are very, very warm. And even your co-passengers. I will leave you with a sweet story. Many of Bali or Ubud is a place for many of Indians honeymoon destination. One of the main reason is it's close, not very far, about 7 hours from India, and also it's very, very cheap, and it's a good place to go. So there are a lot of honeymooning couples, and one of the there were many couples in my flight also. One of them, I think they were from Punjab or Delhi, and it was their first trip out of India also, so it's a big leap for them. And on the flight also, they smiled at me 2-3 times. I smiled back. And even when we were coming out or somewhere, we were at last minute in some adjacent lines for a visa processing and all. The wife kept telling him, पूछो ना, आप पूछो ना उनको, आप पूछो ना. So with lot of difficulty, that man smiled at me and said in hello madam. So I said hello. So you know Hindi? I don't know why I give this feeling or this vibe that I am not an Indian. So I said huh. Then he said, I ask you, what did he say? Wait, I have to, it was a very broken English, but very, very sweet. I ask you question, you answer in Hindi. I said huh, yes, or yes, I don't know. Then he tried and formulate another sentence. You know Hindi answer? Oh my god. Then I was quite fed up with just keeping him in suspense. And I said, ha, bolo. And the wife and the husband just jumped for a second. He said, आपको हिंदी आती है? मैंने बोला हाँ जी आती है. आप इंडिया से हो? मैंने जी इंडिया से हूँ. यही मुझे बताया गया है बचपन से. And the height was, before I could finish this sentence, 2 more people were in front or behind my line, I don't know. They turned and they said, you're from India, you know Hindi. I said, how many people on this flight are wondering whether I'm an Indian or not, or whether I know Hindi or not? See, if this flight had TV, the people would have not been so free wondering whether I know Hindi or not. So well, they just wanted to know about what is the calling plan or where to take the cards, etc. So I uh, told them the best option. So guys, this was my review of my Bali trip to both the destinations, Kuta and Ubud. And I hope these two podcasts or videos will help you in your holiday planning, and hopefully we all will be able to travel soon, maybe in a year or so. So happy traveling, and most important, safe traveling. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please share it with family and friends, and do not forget to press the red subscribe button. Sending